Hello everyone, and Tyler Below again. Today I'm going to do a control stick repair on my old Xbox 360 controller. This is Generation 1. I'm not even sure how old it is. It came out with the original Xbox 360. For Father's Day, I got skins and control stick pad replacements. My son had worn off and picked away all the covering on that. So then the control pad replacement would not fit. There was not enough there, it just kept falling off. So I took a reusable adhesive putty, stuff you use to hang the stuff on your walls, reusable. Put a small bead of that around the control stick, and I'll be able to secure this no problem. It's also a non-permanent fix. If I ever want to take it off again, won't be an issue. It's much better than gluing it on or something permanent that you're going to regret later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.